Hello everyone, this is Miss Pinto-Creazzo from Lincoln High School, and today I'm going to show you how to create channels in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is open up Microsoft Teams and navigate to the team that you would like to add channels to. Okay, so you're going to notice that every single one of your teams has something called General over here on the left. So this is a channel, okay, and this is the default channel that's automatically in all of your classes. So you'll notice at the top of this channel you have posts, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades, and you can add additional tabs if you like. So when you want to add another channel, you're going to go to the right of where the name of your team is listed, hover your mouse over the three dots, click on that, and then click Add Channel. Okay, you're going to start off by giving the channel a name. The description part is optional. Okay, so you don't have to put that in there, but you can. Then there's privacy. So if you decide to choose standard, that means everybody in the team will be able to see the channel, what's in the channel, and all of that. If you choose private, it means only specific people that you add to that channel will be able to see that the channel even exists. They'll only be able to see materials and things posted in the channel. So this is really good for group work. If you want your students to work specifically in groups, it's good to keep it to private. That way they know which group they belong to. They won't be able to see the other groups. Okay, so go ahead and click Next. And then this is where you could add your students to the group. Okay, so you just start by typing their name in and then click on the name to add it to the top here, and then click the add button to actually add the person to the channel. I'm not going to actually go ahead and do this step. I don't want these people to be getting notifications. So once you're done adding all of your students, a button that says done will show up here. So you would go ahead and click on that and it'll just add the students to the channel. But for now, I'm just going to click skip. Okay, you'll notice that the channel is created over here on the left and it's called channel 5 and it has a little lock next to it, which means it's private. Since I'm the owner of the team, I can see all of the channels that I create. Anyone that's not specifically added to this channel won't even see the channel over here on the left, okay? You'll notice that while we're in the newly created channel, there's also tabs up here to use with this channel. So it has the posts option. So this allows you to start new conversations and make announcements just specifically for this channel. You can add files. So if you have a group project you want your students to work on, maybe you want to add some files in here for them specifically for this group. And then if you wish, you can add additional tabs up here. Okay, so there's all sorts of things that Microsoft offers that you can add. Okay, so if anybody has any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is npinto-creazzo@yonkerspublicschools.org.